Good morning students. In this class we will be doing class 10 coordinate geometry. Okay, I have completed exercise 7.3 that is based on area of triangle formula. In this class I will be doing some extra sums, that is other than the textbook I am going to do few sums. Okay, first sum is find the area of a parallelogram ABCD if three vertices are A 2, 4, B 2 plus root 3, 5 and C 2, 6. So, whatever is given in the question, I will do it in the figure. So, A, B, C, three vertices are given in the given parallelogram. Okay, so A, B, C. So, A is 2, 4, B is 2 plus root 3, 5 and C is 2, 6. So, these are the three vertices given. You are asked to find the area of the parallelogram. We know that in class 9 itself we have learned that when a parallelogram is divided along the diagonals, it is dividing the parallelogram into two equal areas. That is, when you find the area of this triangle and when you multiply it by 2, you will get the area of the whole triangle. Okay, that is the thing we have already learnt in class 9. Okay, using that application we are going to do this sum. Okay, so this one, so area of triangle is, you know that area of the triangle, you have to take it as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Okay, area of the triangle we will use. So, area of triangle is equal to area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula all of you know. So, in this we are going to substitute these x1, y1, x1, all the 6 values we are going to substitute in this. So, x1 is 2, y2 is 5 minus y3 is 6 plus x2 value is 2 plus root 3. This is the x2 value. Then y3 is 6 minus y1 is 4 plus x3 value is 2, y1 is 4 again minus y2 value is 5. So, we have substituted all the values of all the 6 values we have substituted. Now, it will be simplified. It has to be simplified. So, 2 into 5 minus 6 is minus 1 plus 2 plus root 3 into 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 2 into 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Then 1 by 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus this 2 plus root 3 has to be multiplied with 2. So, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 root 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So, this one will be 1 by 2 minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4 plus 2 root 3. So, minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. 1 by 2 into 2 root 3. When we simplify this 2 and 2, we will get root 3 units. So, this is the area of triangle ABC. But we are asked to find area of the parallelogram ABCD. So, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 2 times of area of triangle ABC. ABC. So, what is the area of triangle ABC? Is root 3. So, 2 into root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3 units. So, this is the answer for this sum. So, one more time I will repeat from the beginning. The question given is find the area of the parallelogram ABCD if three vertices are given. ABC, three vertices are given. So, we know that we are going to use the condition that when a parallelogram is divided along the diagonals, it is divided into two equal areas. That is it will be divided into two triangles. Both the triangles area will be equal. So, how we are going to do is, we are going to find the area of the triangle and multiply it by 2, so that we will be getting the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so area of the triangle ABC. In this, we are using the formula. Area of the triangle formula we are using. What are all the values? x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 values. If they are applying it in all these things when you are applying, we will be getting root 3 units. So, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to, as I told you, 2 times of area of triangle. So, we got root 3. So, 2 into root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3 units. Okay. Second sum, if the points A 1, minus 2, B 2, 3, C minus 3, 2 and D minus 4, minus 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. So, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Then taking AB as 12 units. Taking AB as 12 units, find the height of the parallelogram. So, you are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. So, A is given as 1, minus 2. B is 2, 3. C minus 3, 2. And D is minus 4, minus 3. So, this is the vertices of the parallelogram. You are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. So, in this one, so I am dividing it along the diagonal. So, I will get two triangles. As I told you in the previous sum, I am going to find the area of the triangle, and since it is given as parallelogram only, you have to use this condition. If there is any other type of quadrilateral, accordingly you have to take the condition. Since this is given as parallelogram, in a parallelogram, the diagonals divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So, for two congruent triangles, the area will be equal. So, I am applying this rule. Okay. So, area of triangle ABC is equal to, formula I am writing, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. I am applying this for triangle ABC. So, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3. Okay. So, x1 1 into y2 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 is 2, y3 is 2 minus y1 is minus 2. So, minus of minus plus 2 plus x3 is minus 3. y1 is minus 2 and y2 is minus 3. Okay, so I have substituted all the coordinates. So, 1 by 2 into 3 minus 2, 1. So, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 4 plus minus 3 into minus 5. So, 1 by 2 into 1 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 15 you will get. So, this will be 1 by 2 into 1 plus 8 9, 15 plus 9 24. So, this is 24 by 2 12 units. So, 12 units is the area of triangle ABC. So, now I need area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC. So, this is equal to 2 into 12, that is equal to 24 units. So, this is the area of the parallelogram. So, area of the parallelogram is 24 units. Okay. Then, you are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. So, we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. This is the formula we have learnt already. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. So area of parallelogram is 24 here, and the base is given as base. You are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. So base is, it is given as 12 units. Base is given as 12 units. You are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. So height will be 24 divided by 12. That is equal to 2 units. So this is how you will find the height of the parallelogram. Okay. This is how you. So one more time I will say, you are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. For that, 4 sides are given. I am going to find the area of the triangle and multiply by 2. So area of the triangle, I have used the area of triangle formula. I have substituted all those things and got the answer as 12 units for the area of the triangle. That I am multiplying it by 2. I am getting 24 units. Then area of the parallelogram, we know that it is base into height. So 24 is equal to 12 into height. So height is 2 units. Okay. Third sum, if A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2, C 5, 2 are the vertices of a triangle ABC, or the vertices of triangle ABC, vertices are given, and AD is its median. AD is its median. Prove the median AD divides triangle ABC into 2 triangles of equal area. So you are asked to find ABC is given. ABC vertices are given. AD is the median given. You are asked to prove that these 2 triangles have the equal area. So for finding that, median is the line segment that connects the vertices and the opposite midpoint. We'll say like that. That is the definition for median. So to find the midpoint of D, we know x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We have B and C coordinate. We will find the midpoint. So that is D. So you will get 2 triangles. So we have to check. We have to find the area of ABD and area of ACD are equal. That is the thing we are going to do. Okay. So midpoint D. First one, we need to find the midpoint. Midpoint D is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So B and C. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is the thing you will get? So this is 3 plus 5 by 2 is 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 4 comma, this is 0 by 2, 0. So 4 comma 0 is this D point. Okay, so now we will find area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ACD and we compare. If the areas are equal, they are asked to prove that only. Okay, so area of triangle ABC. First one, sorry, ABD. Area of triangle ABD. Okay, is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, now I am substituting it. 1 by 2 into ABD. So AB and D value is 4, 0. Okay, so this one is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And that one is x3, y3. Okay, so x1, 4 into y2 is minus 2. y3 is 0, minus 0. Plus x2 is 3. y3 is 0. Minus y1 is 6, minus 6. So minus of minus plus 6. Plus x3 is 4. y1 is minus 6. y2 is minus, already one minus is there, minus of minus plus 2. Substituted everything. Now simplification. So this is minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. So 4 2s are 8, minus 8. So this one is 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 3s are 18 plus 18. This one is minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So 4 4s are 16. So minus 16. So simplified. Then after this 1 by 2 into minus 8. Minus 8 plus 10 is plus 10. Plus 10 minus 16 is plus 10 minus 16 is minus 6. So the answer is minus 6 divided by 2 is 3 units. Since this is the area, we will remove the negative. So you will get the answer as 3 units. So this is the area of triangle ABD. Now we are asked to find area of triangle ACD. So area of triangle ACD. Same formula only. 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 formula. Then 1 by 2 into same x1 y1 we can take AC. So instead of B we will take C as x2 y2. Okay. So x1 is 4, y2 is 2 minus y3 is 0 plus x2 is 5, y3 is 0 minus y1 is 6, minus 6. So minus of minus plus x3 is 4, y1 is minus 6, y2 is 2, minus 2. So substituted. Now simplification. So 1 by 2 into, this is 2 minus 0, 2. So 4 2s are 8. Plus this one is 6 into 5. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 5s are 30. And this one is minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. So minus 32. So this one 1 by 2 into 38 minus 2, 32 is 36. Sorry, 38 minus 32 is 6. So 6 by 2 is 3 units. So what is the question? What we are asked to prove? The question, you are asked to prove that median AD divide triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. So we got area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. So both the triangles have equal area. This is the thing they are asking you to find. One more thing I will say. The question given is ABC is a triangle. AD is the median that divides the triangle. You are asked to prove that median divides the triangle into two equal areas. So we are finding the area of triangle ABD, that we got it as 3 units. Then we are finding area of triangle ACD, that also we got it as 3 units. So we have proved that. Okay. Fourth sum. If the points A minus 1 comma 4, B comma C and C 5 comma minus 1 are collinear and 2B plus C is equal to 4, find the values of B and C. So in the question it is given A, B, C are collinear. So that means area of triangle, if ABC is given, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Okay, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. So you know the formula for area of triangle ABC, that will be equated to 0. So when we are equating it to 0 with the given coordinate points, we will be getting an equation with B and C. Why? Because for one collinear point it is given as B and C. So after getting that B and C equation, that has to be equated, that equation and this equation will be equated and we will be finding the value for B and C. Okay. So 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the condition given, collinearity condition. Okay, now we'll be substituting the values for all these coordinate points. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, so x1 is minus 1, y2 minus y3. So minus of minus plus 1 plus x2 is b, y3 is minus 1 and y1 is minus 4. So we'll get plus 4 here. Plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 4, y2 is c, minus c. This is equal to 0. So in the next step, 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So this will go. Only these things, simplification value only I am going to write. So c into minus 1 is minus c. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. This one is plus b into minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Plus here nothing to simplify. So directly I will multiply. 5 4s are 20 minus 20 minus 5c is equal to 0. Okay, now minus c minus 1 plus 3b minus 20 minus 5c is equal to 0. Okay, so this one will be 3b minus c and minus 5c will be minus 6c, and then minus 1 minus 20 is minus 21 is equal to 0. So for all these three terms, we are having 3 as the common factor. So when I am dividing it by 3, I will be getting b minus 2c minus 7 is equal to 0. So this I am rewriting it as b minus 2c is equal to 7. Okay, b minus 2c is equal to 7. So this is the equation I got when I am substituting the given values in the triangle ABC. So b minus 2c is equal to 0 and here 2b plus c is equal to 4. So this one I am taking it as first equation and this one as second equation. Okay, so 2b plus c is equal to 4. 2b, first equation is 2b plus c is equal to 4 and second equation is b minus 2c is equal to 7. So this one I am multiplying the first equation by 2. So 4b plus 2c is equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. Then b minus 2c is equal to 7. So when I am subtracting, this one will get cancelled. So I will get 5b is equal to 15. So b is equal to 3. So I got b value here. B is equal to 3. Now substituting this b value in the second equation. Second equation is b minus 2c is equal to 7. So b value is 3. 3 minus 2c is equal to 7. Minus 2c is equal to 7 minus 3. That is 4. Minus 2c is equal to 4. 4 is equal to, c is equal to minus 2. So this is the b value and c value. So one more time I will say, area of triangle, in the given question, 3 vertices are given and they are telling that it is collinear, and one equation is given with b and c values. You are asked to find the value of b and c. Okay, so since it is given as collinear, that is equated to 0, substituting it in area of triangle formula, I am getting an equation b minus, with b and c as variables, I am getting an equation. So when I am simplifying that given equation and the second equation, I am getting the value for b and c. So b as 3 and c as minus 2. So with this, I have completed exercise 7.3, extra sums also completed. So the full chapter coordinate geometry is completed. Few sums only I have complete. I'm doing it in the class. So the remaining sums you practice. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Thank you.